In this video, we are going to discuss top 10 best employers in the world 2024. Forbes has released its 8th annual ranking of the world's best employers for 2024, making the job search easier. In collaboration with market research firm Statista, Forbes surveyed over 300,000 employees across 50-plus countries to compile the list. Here are the top 10 employers of 2024. In 10th place, IBM stands as a tech leader, offering its employees a forward-thinking work environment focused on innovation in AI, cloud computing, and quantum technologies. The company offers comprehensive benefits, flexible work policies, and ample opportunities for professional growth, making it a highly respected employer in the tech industry. Ranked 9th, Lego Group provides a creative and inspiring workplace where employees are encouraged to innovate and collaborate. With strong benefits, flexible work conditions, and a focus on sustainability, Lego is a top choice for those seeking a fulfilling career in a company that values both creativity and positive impact. 8th on the list, IKEA is celebrated for its commitment to sustainability and employee well-being. The company provides a supportive environment where employees benefit from flexible schedules, career development opportunities, and a sense of purpose in contributing to affordable, sustainable home furnishing solutions. In 7th place, Airbus is an aerospace giant offering employees the chance to work on some of the most exciting projects in aviation and space exploration. The company supports employees with flexible work options, excellent benefits, and strong career development programs, making it a rewarding place to work, especially for those passionate about aerospace technology. At 6th, Delta Airlines excels in both customer service and employee satisfaction. Known for its generous travel perks, healthcare benefits, and inclusive culture, Delta supports its employees with career growth opportunities and ensures they are well taken care of in a globally recognized work environment. Ranked 5th, BMW Group offers an exciting workplace where employees can contribute to pioneering developments in electric and autonomous vehicles. The luxury car manufacturer is dedicated to sustainability and employee development, providing competitive salaries, work-life balance initiatives, and opportunities for continuous learning. In 4th place, Adobe is recognized for its creative and innovative culture. The company, known for its creative software, provides a balanced work-life approach, offering flexible work arrangements and excellent benefits. Adobe fosters collaboration and encourages employees to push boundaries, making it a great fit for those in tech and creative industries. 3rd on the list is Samsung Electronics, a global leader in consumer technology. Employees are provided with a dynamic work environment that encourages innovation in areas like smartphones, semiconductors, and home appliances. The company offers comprehensive benefits and robust welfare programs, ensuring that its workforce feels both motivated and valued. Coming in 2nd, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is renowned for its unique work culture, offering employees an environment that fosters creativity and innovation. Perks such as free meals, wellness initiatives, and flexible work schedules are just part of Alphabet's appeal. Employees work on cutting-edge projects in AI and digital advertising, making it one of the most sought-after tech companies to work for. Microsoft, ranked first, Microsoft continues to dominate as the best employer globally in 2024. Its focus on employee well-being, diversity, and innovation sets it apart. Microsoft provides excellent compensation, opportunities for growth, and a wealth of benefits like flexible work schedules, wellness programs, and professional development. Also, Microsoft ranks number 3 among the world's 50 most innovative companies of 2024 for its integration of OpenAI's tech into its platforms. Is this Forbes index is correct or any changes in the order? Comment below your opinion and also list top 5 companies in India in terms of happy employees. Thank you for watching.